Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss what is half-wave precision rectifier. A typical rectifier converts AC signal into DC signal and its application is in mobile charger. The rectifier circuit is shown in figure. As we can see here, a typical diode whose knee voltage is 0.6 to 0.7 volt when it is silicon diode, 0.3 when it is germanium diode. The rectifier works when input voltage is more significant to the knee voltage. The limitation of the rectifier is that it will not work when input voltage is in millivolt. So to overcome its cons, a precision rectifier is introduced. There are two types of precision rectifier: non-inverting or saturation type half-wave precision rectifier. It consists of op-amp, which amplifies the small signal, and diode. This framework is called as superdiode. When Vin is greater than 0, diode is in short circuit and there is a close path between input and output, and we get a output in positive half cycle. In negative half cycle, diode will be open circuit, so we can't any output in negative half cycle. Which works as a half wave rectifier. In contrast, it is not widely used because I have already explained that will be no feedback path in negative half cycle, leading into high open loop gain, and output goes into saturation state. Alternatively, in positive half, it takes some time to overcome from the saturation state, so it will work only in low frequency application like in hertz range. The improved version of precision rectifier is a non-saturation precision type. It consists of op-amp and two diodes. When V input is less than 0, due to virtual ground concept, there will be zero potential and current flows from right to left. So current takes either path of R2 or D2, but D2 will be reverse bias. So current takes only this path and the potential will be in 0 volt. So diode D1 will be forward bias and it makes a closed loop in negative half cycle, and we get off output minus R2 by R1 into Vin. Similarly, when V input is greater than 0, current flows from left to right. So diode D2 will be forward bias and D1 will be reverse bias, because here the potential will be minus 0.7 volt and there is close path but there is no connection of input and output, so we can't get any output in this half cycle. So there is no saturation state in any of case. So it will work in high frequency application like in kilohertz range. Similar working is in full wave rectifier. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Many times I have updated community section for job and internship, so please see it. Thank you.